Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix the Canva app when it is not working. This is helpful if you are experiencing issues such as loading errors, crashes, or features not responding properly. Now, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is close the application. Whether you are using a browser, a mobile app, or a desktop app, just close it. Then, reopen Canva once you are done. Next, we need to restart your device. If you are using a laptop, click Restart, select Restart, and wait for your device to reboot. After that, check for updates. If there is an update available, go ahead and update your application. We also want to make sure your device's operating system is up to date. This applies to both laptops and mobile phones. If there is an update, install it. Then open your browser and clear your browsing history. You can press Ctrl+H or go to your browser settings. Under Privacy Settings, click to clear your browsing data and then delete it. This will free up memory and help your browser run more smoothly. Next, check your internet connection to make sure it is working properly. If the connection seems fine, try to reset your modem or Wi-Fi router. Just reset it and wait for it to fully reload. This gives your connection a fresh start. If the problem still continues, we may need to uninstall and reinstall the Canva app. If you have Canva installed on your desktop or mobile, uninstall it and then reinstall it. If none of that works, visit the Canva status page to check if there are any outages. Once we have gone through these steps, we should be able to use Canva without any issues. And that is how we fix the Canva app when it is not working. With these simple steps, we can get back to designing in no time.